Many of us in the world of digital product want to build something cool, something useful, something valuable, and we want to do it in the right way and we want to build it quickly. But what does that mean? And why does this usually happen? We start to build something cool, but we don't really know what it is. So we just build something anyway. Not only do we just build something anyway, we build lots of it. Lots and lots and lots. In fact, we accrue a huge amount of things on our backlog and we try to do them all at once. Look, here's our team here. They're a little bit disgruntled because, well, there's a few things really. One of them, we don't fully understand as a team what the most valuable thing is that we're building. And secondly, you're pushing all of this work through, too much work. So it's a bit of a perfect storm. As well as that, the work cannot flow. Why? Because we haven't taken the time here to involve these lovely people. Who are these? They're our stakeholders, the people who actually make the product happen. So what happens here? Well, actually, we get stuck. We get stuck and work goes round and round and round. So again, I reiterate, we don't know the value of things. Things get stuck. There's too many things. And the flow of work is completely shot. There's got to be a better way. Well, there is a better way. Focus on value. Do you understand the value of the product that you're actually building? Focus on flow. Make sure that you visualize workflows and you can work with your team to look at where those blockages are. And importantly, identify areas of waste. Eliminate those areas of waste. And by the way, one of those areas of waste comes through not collaborating with your stakeholders. So focus on that amongst other things. And then you're going to have a better value product delivered in the right way more quickly. And hopefully happy stakeholders, a happy team, and importantly, happy users.